Who wants to make a simple and delicious apple dessert? Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Then peel, core, and slice 9 to 10 apples and place them in the baking dish. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, mix 1 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle the mixture over the apples as evenly as you can. Then pour 3 tablespoons of water over the apples. Now it's time to make the topping. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, a cup of flour, a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them together and then add 1/2 cup of melted butter. Incorporate the butter by mixing with a fork until it's crumbly. Then grab a spoon and sprinkle the crumbly mixture over the apples. Pop it in the 350-degree oven and bake until the top is golden brown and the apples are bubbly around the edges, about 40 to 45 minutes. Serve it warm with a scoop of cold vanilla ice cream and enjoy. Trust me, this is easy to make, super delicious, and it'll make your house smell amazing. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.